Welcome to the best picks. The best travel tips is probably one of the most essential things to consider when planning your next adventure. With so many choices out there, it's easy to get lost in the details. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, we'll explore some of the best travel tips to make your trips smoother, more enjoyable, and unforgettable. Let's dive in and discover how to make the most of your travel experiences. Number 5. Tripped Travel Gear Compression Packing Cubes. Tired of overpacking? These compression packing cubes are designed to maximize space in your luggage. They help you organize your clothes and compress them for more room. Made by Tripped Travel Gear, this set is both lightweight and durable. You can trust it to withstand the rigors of travel, keeping your belongings safe and sound. Whether you're using a carry-on or a larger suitcase, these cubes are the perfect size. It helps you keep everything tidy and easy to find. Organize your clothes by type or outfit. It makes unpacking a breeze and keeps your suitcase neat throughout your trip. With these compression packing cubes, you can pack more efficiently. It's the ideal travel companion for any trip, big or small. What we like? These cubes are lightweight and durable, perfect for carry-on luggage. They help you organize your clothes efficiently. If you are a frequent traveler who values space and organization, this is a must-have to keep your luggage tidy. What people say. Amazed at how much I could stuff into these. All my clothes for the trip, including some warm for layers, crammed into 4 cubes. One large cube had 3 pair of men's jeans in it. I had to work at it, but I got it zipped down. After you put your clothes in, zip the main zipper and then the other zipper to compress it down. These bags seem a little sturdier than the Eagle Creek, and they are double the weight, which is negligible, really. They are less expensive than the Eagle Creek and seem just as good. Number 4. Compression bags for travel, space saver bags. Are you tired of bulky luggage? These compression bags are a must-have travel essential. They help you save storage space without needing a vacuum. Simply pack your clothes and roll the bag to compress them. It's easy to use and perfect for any trip. This method is very convenient. These bags are great for travel, trips, and home storage. They are versatile for all your accessories. This is a great solution for saving space. The set includes 16 bags in 3 sizes, large, medium, and small. You'll have the perfect size for all your packing needs. It's a comprehensive packing solution. Just seal the zipper and roll out the air. For best results, slide the zipper back and forth a couple of times. It's that simple to use. Made with extra thick PA plus PE material, it protects your clothes from dirt and damage. The double-layer design ensures long-term storage. You can reuse them multiple times. What we like? These compression bags save space without needing a vacuum. They are reusable and protect your clothes from damage. If you are looking for a simple, space-saving solution for your cruise accessories or any trip, these bags are ideal. What people say. These worked great for traveling with just my carry-on bag. I was able to pack way more in the smaller suitcase and not have to pay extra for luggage. They seal great, no leaks, and my clothes came out with very little wrinkles. Love that I had different size bags to use, and they also work great for seasonal storage of items. These work extremely well. The pictures show them packed rolled up, but I found I can get them flat by squeezing a little air out, pull them flat, turn them over, and roll them again. After a few times they get very flat. Bought 24 pack, and although inexpensive, I found I prefer and use the small ones most. Very convenient because a separate vacuum isn't necessary. A hard flat surface is needed for pressing out the air. I usually do it on the floor of the hotel room. We use them to get lots of things into carry-ons, no need to check for shorter trips. Bought the 16 rolls set and use them for every trip to fit more into carry-ons and checked bags. What I like, no vacuum required, just roll to compress, a sturdy material holds seal well and protects clothes from moisture. Multiple sizes are great for organizing by item or outfit. Number 3. Tripped Travel Gear 7-piece compression packing cubes. Tired of struggling to pack? These compression cubes are designed to make your travel simpler. They help you compress your clothes, saving you space and stress. These cubes can make your suitcase up to 30% more spacious. They are perfect for organizing your luggage and keeping everything in its place. Keep different outfits in separate cubes, so you're always ready. Easily pack away items like raincoats or heavier jackets that you don't use often. The extra-large cube holds several shirts, a jacket, and pants. The large cube fits a few shirts and pants, while the small cube is great for smaller items. There's also a tube cube for electronics and a laundry bag for dirty clothes. Use these cubes like normal packing cubes when you need to pack more. When packing less, use the compression zipper to save even more space. They're versatile for any trip. We offer the best travel accessories. If you're not happy with your purchase, we'll replace or refund it immediately. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. These packing cubes are expandable and compressible, offering multiple sizes for various needs. They can make your suitcase up to 30% more spacious. If you like to pack a lot or need to compress items, these cubes are perfect for maximizing your luggage space. What people say. The variety of sizes made it easy to locate what I wanted. Not only did these bags compress items and allow more to be packed, but it kept my skirts and dresses neatly rolled, which prevented wrinkling. The 7-piece set is ultralight yet durable, and the expandable compression feature helps maximize space, keeping clothes neatly packed. Number 2. Toiletry Bag Kit Set, Hanging Travel Bag. This kit is designed for the modern traveler. It includes everything you need to stay organized on the go, making your trip stress-free. The hanging toiletry bag keeps all your essentials in one place. It's designed to save space and keep everything easily accessible. This clear bag meets all TSA requirements for liquids. It ensures you can breeze through security without any hassle. This pouch is perfect for storing smaller items. It's lightweight and compact, adding extra organization to your luggage. With this kit, you'll have everything you need to stay organized. It's the perfect travel solution, making your journey more enjoyable. What we like. This kit includes a hanging toiletry bag, a TSA-approved liquid bag, and an accessory organizer pouch. It's designed to keep your toiletries organized and compliant with travel regulations. If you are looking for a complete and convenient solution for your toiletries, this kit is a great choice. What people say. I've been using Lori's tips for years and they have saved me so much time and money. The tips are well organized and easy to understand. I appreciate the detailed information provided. Number 1. INICAT Checkered Crossbody Sling Bag. This bag is designed for both men and women. It features a small, checkered pattern, making it a fashionable accessory for everyday use. Made from high-quality nylon, this crossbody bag is built to last. The material is also water-resistant, protecting your belongings from light rain. It's the ideal size for carrying essentials like your phone, wallet, and keys. The compact design ensures it's comfortable to wear all day long. The adjustable strap allows you to wear it as a crossbody or a sling bag. This versatility makes it suitable for various occasions. The bag features secure compartments to keep your items safe. It's a practical and stylish choice for anyone on the go. What we like. This small crossbody bag is lightweight and features a stylish checkered pattern. It's perfect for carrying essentials while keeping your hands free. If you like a compact and fashionable bag for daily use or travel, this is a great option. What people say. This bag is exactly what I was looking for. We travel a lot. I needed something versatile. Great safety features. I love having the card slots that face me in front pocket for convenience and ease of access, but safe from thieves. It's not too big. I am able to zip my jacket over the bag. Great quality. Cute. Makes an excellent lit carry-on for flying, and you could zip it under a jacket, winking face space and back pocket for phone. Can wear on either shoulder because the strap is adjustable to either side. Super cute bag, easy to use for carrying just the few things you need to take with you. Strap fits many sizes as well. Functions just as I needed for my wallet, phone, and a few extra things. This bag was perfect for an out-of-town trip. The size is small and it held everything I needed. It was very comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.